Is your drone giving you a battery error just when you're ready to take off? We've all been there. Welcome back to Fixbond, where we turn those paperweights back into high-performance power units. In this video, we're performing a complete surgical replacement of the internal cells. We'll go from the delicate opening of the casing to precision welding and full software recalibration. Watch how we restore reliability to this battery and get this drone back in the air where it belongs.